So, yeah, Ram Ram. So, hello guys, with the name of God, Ram Ram. We are going to start today's session. See, in Google SWE intern, OA was happening today. There were many different problem sets, P0, P1, etc., etc. But the final conclusion is that there were total four different questions only if you combine all the sets. Okay, two questions were there in each set, and there is 1 to 2 hour given. I don't remember the exact timing, and Google has repeated the problems, by the way. Like if you go on my LinkedIn and check my 1 year old post, year old post, 3 year old post, you will see the same question I posted. So Google has repeated the questions. If you want to do, you can check this link on Desi Q&A Google underscore OA. You will find all the previous Google OA. So always use them while preparing. Now let's go to the question. Constraints, we will assume the worst constraint, someone, okay? So guys, let's assume the worst constraints for this problem. This is our document, right? They are saying that an array is given to you. Okay, array is given to you, array is given to you. That's it guys. Let's make the question easy. They are telling you that an array of size n is given to you, and n can be as large as 10 raised to 5, and the numbers inside the array, let's say they are from minus 10 raised to 9 to plus 10 raised to 9. Everyone write understood in the chat if they understand what is the constraints given in the question. Given an array of size as long as 10 raised to 5, and the numbers in the array can range from minus 10 raised to 9 to plus 10 raised to 9. This you all must have seen thousand numbers of times, right? Yeah. So now guys, the question is pretty simple. This is the array given to you. Okay, 0 5 0 0 5 0. How many ways are there? How many ways are there to divide this array into equal parts? That's it. So now guys, everyone start telling me their algorithm for this. This is not the actual question. First I will discuss a simpler version. Then we will go to the harder version. So guys, please use your brain and tell me, given an array, how will you find the number of ways to divide this array in two equal parts, two equal sub-arrays? That's the question, nothing else. So understanding. Let's make the understanding of the problem clear. Not sending the link of the doc so you can fully focus on what I'm trying to teach you. Clear? Guys, don't just write the prefix sum, suffix sum. Tell me the actual solution. They are telling you that given an array of size n, find the number of partitions to divide the whole array into equal parts. That's it, guys. Nothing else you had to do. Yeah. Okay, great job. Nice. Great. Awesome. Great. Great. So now these basic things are clear to you. So what you can do is common sense. What you will do? First, you will calculate the total sum of the array. Let's say the total sum is 10. Okay. Total sum you have calculated 10. Now what you will do? Try to find a prefix whose sum is 10 by 2. That's it. Problem has been solved. Okay. So what will be the solution for this? Solution for this will be find the total sum of array. Find the total sum of array. Now find how many prefixes have their sum as sum by 2. Okay. So guys, in this yeah, you got it. Yeah, I also love you. Hello. But guys, please tell me, in this question, you have to divide this array in two parts. Everyone start writing in the chat. What is the total sum of this array? Everyone, guys, be quick. I'm not having time. Please tell me. Total sum is 10. I want to divide this by 2. So guys, what will be total sum by 2? Both the parts should have how much sum? 5. Okay. So guys, now focus. How many partitions are possible at max? Can anyone tell me? Only n minus 1 partitions are possible. how many partitions are possible? Everyone write in the chat. कितने तरीके हैं एरे को तोड़ने के? बताता हूं, नहीं पता ना, बता देता हूं. 1 2 3 4 5. Either you can put the first number in the first part and the last four numbers in the second part, or you can put the first two numbers in the first part and then the three numbers in the last part, or you can put the first three numbers in the first part or last two numbers in the last part, or first four numbers in the first part and last number in the last part. 1 2 3 4, four ways are there. So if n equal to 5, there are n minus 1 ways to partition the array in two parts. We want to know which of these parts will have both as equal sum. That's it, guys. That's it. Clear? So now what will you do? Please tell me in the chat. Here, you clearly know that the total is 10. Total by 2 is 5. Right? So guys, please tell me, if you fix the first part, if you fix the first part, isn't it common sense that the second part you don't even need to check? No need to check, because second part sum will always be what? Total minus this part. Yes or no? Write in the chat. Yeah, yeah, you got it. तुमको पीछे का दूसरे पार्ट का सम देखने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ये आपका अच्छा सा एरे दे के रखा है, ठीक है? ठीक है, यू नो दैट द टोटल सम इज टीओटी एंड यू नो दैट द सम टिल हियर इज जी. तो सेकंड पार्ट का सम क्या होगा? टोटल माइनस जी. सो नेवर वरी अबाउट द सेकंड पार्ट. सेकंड पार्ट इज ऑलवेज फिक्स, इज टोटल माइनस करंट प्रीफिक्स सम. दैट्स इट. आई विल यूज डीपी पिक और नॉट पिक. ऐसा कुछ करना ही नहीं है गोपी. जैसा नाम है वैसा काम कर रही हो तुम. So this is very simple question. You don't have to do much here, okay? You just need to check how many times sum by 2 is coming. It's like basic common sense. Even a fifth standard student can understand what I'm telling them here at this point. So you can see, yeah, but yeah, Gopi, you might be having some pick not pick approach. Great job. Now listen to me, guys. These things are clear to you, right? So please tell me, is this part having the sum as 5? Right? Yes or no in the chat, and be super quick. We cannot waste time. Okay. So see, the if I try to do the partition and try to put the first number in the first part and all other numbers in the second part, then will it work? I put 0 here and all other numbers in the other part. Guys, is this partition valid or not? I want your answers in the chat with the explanation. Be quick, guys. We are already running late. Why is it not a valid partition? Can anyone tell me? Because the sum is different. This is 0 and this is 10, so not valid. What if I take the first two numbers? 0 5 and then 0 0 5 0. Yes, this is valid. Why? Why is this valid? Because this prefix is having its sum as sum by 2. टोटल सम क्या था? 10 है और ये प्रीफिक्स का सम 5 आ रहा है, 10/2 आ रहा है. मतलब ये 5 है तो ये बचा हुआ भी 5 ही होगा. तो डिवाइड कर लिया तुमने दो पार्ट में इक्वल. कॉमन सेंस. दिस इज कॉमन सेंस. So guys, I hope all of you understood the O of n algorithm to do it, but still I will show it to you in front of your eyes, okay? What you will do, total, you will calculate TOT, total sum of array, okay? Now what you will do, just run a for loop, use one based indexing, okay? Use a simple for loop and just relax. Current sum is what, guys? Current sum is nothing but the prefix sum, the sum of the first I elements. Okay, what is the current sum? Is equal to current sum equal to current sum plus b of I. If this value is equal to sum by 2, count plus plus, it means this partition is valid. Good plus plus, good equal to 0, and then you finally just print the good, and guys, the problem is solved, okay? Now there was a deep meaning behind solving this easy problem for you. Okay guys, नो शक्ति, इतना कुछ करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, तुम खुद ही सोचो ना। तुमको एरे दे रखा है, तुमको एरे का टोटल सम पता है जी है। अब तुम ये जानना चाहती हो कि कितने तरीके हैं सच दैट पहले पार्ट का सम जी बाई टू हो और दूसरे पार्ट का सम जी बाई टू हो। अरे तो चुपचाप ट्रेवल कर लो ना, देख लो क्या ये जी बाई टू है, नहीं है। ओके देन कम हियर एंड चेक, इज दिस जी बाई टू? यस, लेट्स से दिस इज जी बाई टू। इफ दिस इज जी बाई टू देन यू डोंट नीड टू चेक, दिस पार्ट मस्ट बी जी बाई टू, तभी तो टोटल सम जी आ रहा है। इट इज कॉमन सेंस एक्चुअली। एट दिस पॉइंट इट इज वेरी इजी। क्लियर शक्ति? Guys, it should be clear to you, or else I cannot go ahead. Have all of you done 10th standard, 12th standard mathematics? Please let me know, or I will explain more. नहीं तो मैं बार बार तुमको समझाऊंगा कि भाई अगर ये एरे का सम जी है और ये आगे वाले पार्ट का सम जी बाई टू है तो ये जी बाई टू ही होगा बचा हुआ। इसको मैं और कितने तरीकों से प्रूव करूं तुम्हारे सामने? प्लीज लेट मी गो अहेड। ये और प्रूफ करूं बैठ के? चलो कर देता हूं। this is g, this is g by 2, so g minus g by 2 is what? G by 2, so the leftover will also be g by 2. That's why you never check the leftover part, you only try to find the prefix whose sum is g by 2. If the prefix is g by 2 then the suffix is guaranteed g by 2 only, because total is g. Yes Sagnik, a nice corner case. Should be even. Guys, if the total sum is not even then you cannot divide by 2 na, that's why. So पहले ही check कर लेना. If this is not even, the answer is 0. No partition possible. For example, let me show you. Now guys, what is the sum? 7. अब 3.5 3.5 में तो डिवाइड हो नहीं पाएगा यार, कहीं पर भी डाल दो। So if the total sum is odd then it's not possible, never possible. Clear? Everyone right understood and CLR and things like that, so I can go ahead to the actual Google OA now. Let's discuss the actual problem now, guys. So guys, do you think that Google asked this question in the exam? What I discussed, was this the actual question? Tell me. No one will ask this question and give you 60 lakhs in your bank account. So the real question is that you have to find the number of partitions, but you are allowed to do maximum one operation. You are allowed to do maximum one operation. Real question is what? Same as above, but you are allowed to do maximum one operation. Guys, you are allowed to do maximum one operation. Okay, not now. I will share the doc link in the end. Guys, रियल क्वेश्चन क्या है? वही करना है जो ऊपर दिया है। आपको यही बताना है कि एरे को तो इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करने के कितने तरीके। बट actually this question was asked in LinkedIn also, but without this condition. So that was very easy anyways. But here Google na, higher package, hard level question. That's why. Same as above, find the number of ways to equally partition both the array into two parts. But you're allowed to do maximum one operation. In that operation, you can change any number to 0. That's it. After doing it, your number of partitions should maximize. Like in our 800-hour course live class, yesterday also I explained a similar kind of question, I think, where we had to maximize something. So guys, after doing it, your number of partitions should be maximum. So this thing is clear to you. Okay, so guys, let's discuss the question. Guys, send the question link to people again and again few times in the chat, because yes Karthike, I'll try to solve all the questions, but first let's solve this one. Okay, by midnight or by tomorrow morning we will be providing everything. Filhal, for this live session I'm only discussing one, because the other problems are very difficult and If you're a normal person, you will not understand my explanations. If you are a person who has done lots of DSA, then surely you will understand. ये क्वेश्चन मैंने इसलिए उठाया क्योंकि ये हार्ड है, बट तो भी ये समझाने लायक है. दूसरे तो इसके भी बाप है, प्राइम ट्री एंड ऑल, वो तुम्हारे दिमाग में नहीं घुसेगा इफ यू हैव नॉट डन द ट्री कोर्स. दैट्स व्हाई आई डिड नॉट पिक दैट अप फॉर नाउ. ओके, बट आई विल ट्राई, डोंट वरी. नाउ, like I will not teach to you live, but I will upload it on YouTube for sure. Okay. So guys, coming below, what is the actual question, actual test case? Can anyone tell me? Minus 1 5 double 0 5 0 minus 1 5 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 5 double 0 5 0. Guys, what is the total sum? Can anyone tell me? Total sum of this array. Can anyone tell me in the chat? Fast, fast, fast. I'm waiting. Yes, Aman, you are correct. But that much is not enough now because there can be many numbers, odd and even. Total sum is 9. So, guys, is there any way to divide this into two parts without doing any extra operation? No, answer is 0. How many ways are there to divide this array? How many ways are there? Write the answer in the chat. 0 way. Thank you, Karandeep. But, guys, गूगल ने इसलिए तो बोला है कि यू कैन चेंज एनी वन नंबर इन द एरे टू 0. सो गाइस, लेट्स मेक द चेंज इन द एरे. लेट मी मेक द न्यू एरे. आई एम चेंजिंग द फर्स्ट नंबर टू 0. Now tell me, guys, is it possible to divide this array into two equal parts? Swati, you can raise your doubt in the chat. So guys, how many ways are there to divide this array into equal parts? Our same algorithm I repeat in front of you. Total is 10. I will search for all the prefixes whose sum is 5. So this is 5 sum prefix, 1 partition found. This is also 5 sum prefix, 2 partition found. This is also 5 sum prefix, 3 partitions found. So 3 is the answer if you are changing this number to 0. So guys, what will be the brute force solution? Can any intelligent person tell me in the chat? What you will do? First, you will try to calculate the answer for normal array without any operation. Okay. Then what you will do? Try to change a single number at each index. Try to change this number to 0 and try to find the answer for the new array. Like this, do for each index, and whatever is the maximum of them, that will be the final answer. So guys, now I'm writing the pseudo code for you. I hope everyone is ready for it. Okay. Captain Coder, yes, Sagni, great job. Gopi Bahu, sorry, Gopi Raju, great job. Yeah, so guys, let's go towards the, what we say, efficient solution. And yeah, guys, this student got really popular, so give congratulations to him. He was a beginner in coding 5 months back, did not even know for loop if else, has crossed 1800 plus rating yesterday only. So give congratulations to Rajkumar Gupta. Okay, done. Now let's go back. हाँ, अब गाइस फिर से काम पर चलते हैं. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा उसका मेंशन कर लेते हैं. कुमार के स्टूडेंट वर्सेस 1800 प्लस रेटिंग फ्रॉम फुल स्क्रैच लेवल आफ्टर 5 months of hard work. Actually, there are many more, but for example, now I want again these kind of results. Okay, 2300 plus rating on lead code, 2400 plus rating. Okay, your current batch should generate this results. 1800 is not enough for me. मुझे उससे भी बहुत ज्यादा चाहिए, जैसे 8 महीने पुराने वाले बैच ने किया था. ठीक है. Okay, now going back to the session again. So guys, what is our what we say, what is our brute force solution? Please tell me in the chat, everyone. Guys, what is the brute force solution? Can anyone tell me? And be quick. फिर से अपनी चीजों को कॉपी पेस्ट करके लिख दो गाइस. चलो अब मैं ब्रूट फोर्स लिख के खत्म करता हूँ, टाइम ज्यादा नहीं हमारे पास, तो चलिए काम शुरू किया जाए. एन, ओके डन. ओके, बी ऑफ एन, ओके डन. वन बेस्ड इंडेक्सिंग, राइट? सूडो कोड. नाउ व्हाट? for I equal to 1, I less than equal to n, I plus plus. Now guys, see, please listen to me. You can change each number at max one time, right? So let me change this number to 0. Okay. The question यही बोल रहा है तुमको कि change this number to 0. So guys, let's say TOT tells you the total sum of the array. Guys, I am not writing the code to find the total sum of array. Is it fine for you? या वो भी करके दिखाओ तुमको कि array का sum कैसे निकालते हैं? क्या आपको उसकी जरूरत है? नहीं ना? Okay. So TOT, just assume it is the total sum of the array. So guys, tell me, when you change this number, what is the new sum? When you change this number, acha, we don't have to discuss like that, na? Okay, change this number to 0. So I am declaring a new array, a of n plus 1 will be equal to whatever the value is in B array, and I will make a of I equal to 0. Okay. Now my answer will be nothing but solve this array. Okay, solve function. Got it? मैंने ये बी एरे को ए एरे में डाल दिया और उसका ए ऑफ आई 0 कर दिया और सॉल्व ए फंक्शन में डाल दिया. सॉल्व ए will calculate how many valid partitions are there for this array, and solve a function I have already created here, right? This one, right? So let's just copy paste it there and our job is done. So guys, solve function, solve array a. Okay, so guys, I hope you understand how the solve function is working. If the current sum uh, this is just a pseudo code. So see guys, if the current sum is equal to sum by 2, then good plus plus, and then you return the good. Okay, or return good. You can print or return whatever you want. Okay, the solve function will just tell you the number of good, but this sum ना, ये यहाँ पर sum फिर से आपको calculate करना पड़ेगा. Sum will be nothing but total sum of array. So guys, everyone write understood and CLR if they understood our solution. What I am doing, I am going at each number and I am changing this number to 0. If I change this number to 0, what will be my answer? My answer will be G, or my answer will be Q. I want max of all of them, right? So D equal to max of, not D, W equal to max of W comma Q. I want the maximum of all possibilities. मुझे थोड़ी पता है कौन से इंडेक्स को जीरो करने पे बेस्ट आंसर आएगा. So I am changing every index to 0 and calculating its answer and taking maximum of all of them. So print W. And guys, the problem has been solved, I think. Okay, please tell me the time and space complexity for this problem. Okay, guys, everyone tell me the time and space complexity. Mainly chalo, tell me the time complexity. O of n operation here, right? And for each solve function, again O of n operation, n square. Okay, so this is O of n square. Time complexity is what? O of n square. Now guys, before going ahead, I want to be sure, did everyone really understood क्या क्वेश्चन है? नाटक तो नहीं कर रहे हो ना? तो CLR लिख लो चैट में. पता तो चला ना क्या करना है? क्वेश्चन में you have to find the number of partitions such that both the partition has equal sum, and you can do that by changing any one number in the array. Okay, guys, this many CLR is not enough for me. Yes, Sagnik, you are a little bit correct, not fully correct, because when you change the number, the prefix sum भी तो बदल जाते हैं ना आगे के. Sagnik, आई के आगे के, और कुछ नहीं, बाकी सब ठीक है. So everything is good enough, everything is going nice, life is going nice. So guys, do you think you will get 60 lakhs in your bank account by writing this code in Google OA? Tell me yes or no in the chat. Will n square solution work in the online assessment, guys? No. So we need to optimize. Okay, so now listen to me carefully. Okay, listen to me very, very carefully. First of all, Ram Ram. Okay, now the most important thing is that what are we trying to do? What? No, no 30 lakhs for half solution, Aniket. Not even a single rupee you will get. because your competitors are writing O of n solution, Aniket. Okay, and Google will not shortlist you for n square. No, Naveen, there are many, corner cases available, and that might fail. So see, the thing is you cannot sort the array. Numbers का तुम लोकेशन चेंज नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि तुमको पार्टीशंस निकालने हैं नवीन जी. ठीक है. जो आगे के पार्ट में नंबर है वो आगे के पार्ट में होना चाहिए. अगर एरे में यहाँ पर वन है तो सॉर्ट करोगे तो वन यहाँ पर आ जाएगा जो अलाउड नहीं है. ठीक है. नाउ गाइस, everyone write ready in the chat if they are ready for the solution, but you did nice try, Ravin. So guys, let's define the actual question. What is the actual question? तुम लोग मेरी बात को भूल गए. एक्चुअल क्वेश्चन भूल गए. एक्चुअल क्वेश्चन ये नहीं है कि पार्टीशन ढूंढने हमको. व्हाट इज द एक्चुअल क्वेश्चन? यू आर ट्राइंग टू फाइंड हाउ मैनी प्रीफिक्स हैव देयर सम एज सम बाय 2. गाइस, इफ यू आर एबल टू कैलकुलेट दिस इंस्टेंटली तो तुम्हारा प्रॉब्लम तो सॉल्व हो गया. ये रियल क्वेश्चन है. यू आर ट्राइंग टू कैलकुलेट हाउ मेनी प्रीफिक्सेस आर देयर whose sum is sum by 2. बस हो गया, खत्म खत्म. So now listen to me very very carefully, very carefully with 101% attention. Let's say this number is 5 0 0 5 0 0 5 0 0 5 0 0 5 0. मजा नहीं आ रहा ना. Everyone write feeling in the chat if they can feel this array. They can feel this array. This is the array given to you. This is the number considered currently, which you have to turn to 0. Everyone write feeling if they can feel this without lying to me. Have feelings for the question, not for other people. You should not have feelings for girls, have feelings for the question if you want to master OA and CP. So guys, is the feeling fully clear to you that this is the array given to you and ये index आप change करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो. तो Sachin and Lalita and Python boot. Today Lawrence Bishnoi is absent and Salman Khan also. Aishwarya and Vivek Oberoi also absent. Anyways, so guys, this is the array. Index I and ये 5 है. ठीक है? Clear? So guys, अच्छा Salman Khan is there. Great job. Instantly आ गए. So guys, listen carefully. Yes, Vinit ji. Now guys, listen carefully. What is the total sum of this array? Can anyone tell me in the chat? जल्दी बताइए, टाइम पास मत कीजिए. 1 2 3 4 5 25. So guys, if you make it zero, what will be the sum? Tell me in the chat. Fast. In O of 1 you can calculate. Total minus this B of I will be the change in the array. तो 20 हो गया. What is the new sum guys? न्यू सम क्या है बच्चों? न्यू सम क्या है? न्यू सम इज 20. ये 0 बन गया. नाउ व्हाट डू यू वांट गाइस? न्यू सम 20. अब तुमको क्या चाहिए? जल्दी लिखो चैट में. We just want to know in this freaking array how many prefixes are there whose sum is 10. Right? Agreed in the chat if you guys agree with my statement that you just need to know in this freaking array how many prefixes are there whose sum is 10. Now the question becomes easy guys. What is the solution? Let's say you are at index I. Okay? You make B of I equal to 0. What will be new sum guys? Total minus B of I. Okay? What will be the new sum, lovely people? Total minus B of I. Now, just tell me how many prefixes are there whose sum is new sum by 2. Tell me this in O of 1 time. Guys, do you everyone write agree in the chat? If they agree कि भाई अगर कैसे भी करके हमको ये पता चल गया how many prefix are having their sum as new sum by 2, then our problem is solved. That number will be the number of partitions when you make b of I equal to 0. And you can store that stuff in hash map, right? अब तुम ही दिमाग लगाओ, जब मैं यहां से यहां आ रहा था तो आई कुड हैव मेड अ हैश मैप, राइट? हैश मैप में क्या स्टोर होता? फॉर दिस एरे ओनली, व्हेन आई एम हियर, I could have stored that the sum 5 is coming for one time. So in the hash map, here there will be sum and here there will be the frequency, how many times that prefix sum has come. तो 5 एक बार आ रहा है, ओके। फिर 5 प्लस 0, 5 और एक बार आ रहा है, ओके। 2, फिर चलो अब इजी कर देते, जल्दी जल्दी बताओ। 5 एक और बार आ रहा है, 5 is coming 3 times. Guys, how many times in how many prefix 5 is coming? 5 is coming in 3 prefixes, okay? 5 is coming in how many prefixes? 3 prefixes. तो मैंने हैश मैप बना लिया है। अरे रे, आई रियली डोंट लाइक एनी ऑफ द गूगल प्रोडक्ट्स। ये मैं सिर्फ तुमको इसलिए पढ़ा रहा हूँ ताकि तुम्हारा गूगल में सिलेक्शन हो जाए। आई डोंट लाइक गूगल डॉक्स एंड जैमबोर्ड एट ऑल। हाउ डिफिकल्ट टू यूज। Anyways, now if you get selected there, make the changes. 5 is coming 3 times, okay? Great job. Now please tell me, how many times 10 is coming? 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. 10 is also coming 3 times, okay? 10 is also coming 3 times. So map of 10 instantly आपको बता देगा ना कि ये 10 कितनी बार आया था। आप यही चाहते थे ना, when you are at index I, you remove this number in your mind. Your new sum is 20, new sum by 2 is 10. You just want to know how many times 10 is coming. So guys, as per our current calculation, how many times 10 is coming? Can anyone tell me in the chat? Can anyone tell me in the chat how many times 10 is coming? Till this part only, till this part only. Okay. Yeah. Oh. So guys, टोटल सम 25, इसको निकालेंगे तो 20 हो गया। 20 बाई 2 क्या होगा? 10। मैं ये जानना चाहता हूं कि ये एरे में, इन दिस एरे, हाउ मेनी टाइम्स द प्रीफिक्स सम इज कमिंग एज 10? यू गाइज आर सेइंग सर 3 टाइम्स 10 आ रहा है। कितनी बार 10 आ रहा है? 3 बार 10 आ रहा है। कितनी बार 10 आ रहा है? 3 बार 10 आ रहा है। गाइज, क्या सिर्फ 3 ही बार 10 आ रहा है कि और भी 10 आ रहा है? अब ये तो 0 हो गया, तो ये भी 10, ये भी 10, ये भी 10, ये तो गिने ही नहीं ना। In our algorithm there is a problem. What is the problem in the algorithm, guys? The problem in the algorithm is that when you have the index I, your hash map can only store the items from index 1 to I minus 1. Everyone write problem in the chat if they can realize the problem is that हमको तो prefix sum पूरे array के चाहिए और हमारा hash map तो बस 1 से I minus 1 बता रहा है। ये I plus 1 से लेके n में क्या हुआ वो कौन बताएगा हमको? प्रॉब्लम हो गया यार, बहुत दुख हुआ। Okay, clear? So guys, everything is all right. You can use a hash map. You can use a hash map. You can use a hash map. Guys, what will, for now, what are we doing? It will tell you the prefix sum and the frequency of that prefix sum. How many times that prefix sum has come. And hash map of new sum by 2 will tell you how many prefixes have their sum as new sum by 2 in the range 1 to I minus 1. Guys, everyone write partially solved in the chat. अगर उनको पता चल गया आधा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो चुका है, आधा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो चुका है। ओके, सो नाउ लिसन टू मी वेरी केयरफुली। क्या चाहते थे तुम यही चाहते थे ना? व्हाट डिड यू वांट? You wanted that this number should become 0. Okay, you calculated the new sum. Okay, now what you want? You want to know how many prefix have their sum as new sum by 2. How many prefix have their sum as new sum by 2? Now when you are traveling from here to here, you can store all these prefix data in a hash map. Now hash map of new sum by 2 will instantly tell you how many prefix have their sum as new sum by 2 in the range 1 to I minus 1. In the range 1 to I minus 1. In the range 1 to I minus 1. But we want the answer in the range 1 to n. समझ गए डिफरेंस क्या है क्वेश्चन के अंदर और हमारे अंदर? हम सिर्फ ये बता पा रहे हैं कि 1 से लेके i माइनस 1 में ऐसे कितने प्रीफिक्स हैं जिनका सम न्यू सम बाय 2 है, बट क्वेश्चन जानना चाहता है पूरे एरे में बताओ कौन सा पार्ट गाइस हमारा मिस हो रहा है. वी आर मिसिंग द ith इंडेक्स एंड all the numbers from I plus 1 till n. Okay, okay, clear to you people? Clear to you? Clear? Okay, so now I'm telling you, don't worry, there is a brilliant solution to this. Okay, अब डरना मत, एकदम ध्यान से रहना. ओके, चैन से सोना चाहते हो तो जाग जाए. सो नाउ लिसन टू मी केयरफुली. Whatever these numbers prefix are, you have stored them in your hash map, right? This is your hash map. All the prefix sum p and their frequency has been stored in this hash map. So when you make this I number zero in your mind, रियल में जीरो नहीं करना है, रियल में एरे में जीरो मत डाल देना, दिमाग में जीरो कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? नहीं तो एरे का नंबर ही चेंज कर दोगे तुम. अपने दिमाग में इसको जीरो करो, न्यू सम कैलकुलेट करो, न्यू सम बाय 2 का हैश मैप में चेक करो कितनी बार आ रहा है, तो उतने आ रहे होंगे. बट हमको कौन से पार्ट का आंसर नहीं पता है. वी डोंट नो कि भाई आई से ये ब्लैक वाले पार्ट का आंसर नहीं आ रहा है. वी डोंट नो इफ दिस ब्लैक पार्ट हैज देयर सम एज न्यू सम बाय 2. ये इनके प्रीफिक्स सम न्यू सम बाय 2 आ रहे कि नहीं आ रहे वो हमको नहीं पता चल रहा है. रेड पार्ट वी हैव कैलकुलेटेड फ्रॉम 1 टू I minus 1, but from I plus 1 to n we don't know how many prefixes have their sum as new sum by 2. Everyone write agreed in the chat if they agree with my problem, that we are very close, but unfortunately we don't have the data for the indices from I plus 1 to n. We don't have the data for I plus 1 to n. Okay, write CLR in the chat. The understanding should be very in-depth and clear. Till then I'm not going to move ahead, Mac, nothing. Yeah, great, awesome. So now अब ध्यान से सुनना. Prefix you cannot calculate at all. You cannot calculate this in advance. You cannot predict the future. You cannot predict the future. ऐसा नहीं कर सकते कि ये निकाल के तुमको already prefix पता चल जाएगा. Though there is a secret method, but let's not discuss that for today's session. Okay. What you can do is, when you are making this zero, everyone write in the chat that the black part is unaffected. Guys, whenever I am making the b of I equal to 0, everyone write the back part or the black part remains unaffected. अरे इसको जीरो किया but ये part तो ऐसे का ऐसा ही है ना, फीलिंग आ रही है? Everyone write in the chat, back part is unaffected. Black part is either write back or write black. This black part is unaffected when you are making b of I equal to 0. That's the beauty of this problem. Because the black part is not affected, if you maintain the suffix hash map, if you maintain the suffix hash map, समझो तुमको पता है कि ये सफिक्स का सम न्यू सम बाय 2 आ रहा है, तो गारंटी होगा कि ये प्रीफिक्स भी न्यू सम बाय 2 एंड द प्रॉब्लम इज सॉल्व्ड. All you need is that the data from I plus 1 to n, you need to maintain how many suffixes from I plus 1 to n, from I plus 1 to n, you just need to maintain how many suffixes have their sum as pref sum by 2 and the problem has been solved. See how simple it was. Just a simple application of hashing, prefix, suffix. That's why in your 800-hour course, 100 plus videos are dedicated to this only, right? Out of the 1,000 videos, 100 videos are on hashing, prefix, and suffix because they are almost used anywhere, everywhere in brilliant manner. Okay. अब किसने ऊपर ऊपर से पढ़ा उसको सब कोई पता ही नहीं चलता, जो डीपली समझता है उसको समझ आता है. So, everyone write brilliant in the chat if they have understood the brilliancy of this problem. Nothing is difficult here. From I plus 1 to n, you just need to maintain how many suffixes have their sum as pref sum by 2, which can be done, by making other hash map which stores the detail of the back part, okay, of the back part. So let me show this to you one more time, guys, before ending the session. Okay. अब देखो बात को समझो. This is your array. Okay. This is your index I, right? You just trying to make it zero. In O of one operation, you made it zero in your mind. Okay. You calculate the new sum as NW. You want to know how many times NW by 2 is coming as a prefix, right? But the thing is that you can only calculate in this red part how many of these red parts are having their prefix as new sum by 2, which is nothing but what? Hash map में stored है. So P of NW by 2. So guys, answer is what? P of NW by 2. But this can only give you the number of prefixes from I to 1 to I minus 1. What about the prefixes from I to n? That cannot be calculated. So what will I do? Similarly, I will create a second hash map which would be calculating all the values like this. ये वाले पार्ट का सम कितना है, ये जो भी है सफिक्स हैश मैप में डाल दिया. Okay, this sum in the suffix hash map, all in the suffix hash map. So S of needed sum by new sum by 2. यहाँ पर जितनी बार न्यू सम बाय 2 आ रहा है मतलब वो प्रीफिक्स आगे का ऑलरेडी न्यू सम बाय 2 था. गॉट इट? क्लियर? शुडंट वी चेक फॉर न्यू सम बाय 2 इन सफिक्स? हाँ तो वही किया है ना. चेक हियर. क्लियर? So guys, the main thing of this problem, main thing of the problem is that if let's say this suffix, this back part is having their sum as new by 2. Okay, this back part is having their sum as new sum by 2. Then guys, what will be the sum of the blue part? Can anyone tell me in the chat? Brilliant. या कर्तवी को भी समझ आया. गाइस अगर पीछे वाले पार्ट का सम NW by 2 है तो इसका कितना होगा? टोटल NW है तो ये NW by 2 होगा. मतलब तुमने वो बड़ा वाला प्रीफिक्स भी नोट डाउन कर लिया जो आई के बाद आ रहा था. जब तुम सफिक्स पे ध्यान देते हो ना तो वो वाले प्रीफिक्स जनरेट होते हैं जो आई से लेके एन वाली रेंज में आ रहे हैं. Got it, guys? That's the speciality, that when you are focusing on the suffix of the part after I, and if this is NW by 2, then you will automatically consider the suffixes which are ending at I or at index bigger than I. And that's why this Google OA problem is getting solved. Okay. But we do not have to subtract. No, A of I case we will handle separately, Raghav. ये जो करंट वैल्यू से जो सब प्रीफिक्स बन रहा है ना, ये तो तुम ऐसे ही कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो. जो तुम्हारा पी आई माइनस वन था ना, सेम टू सेम पी आई माइनस वन और एक बार आ गया है क्योंकि ये नंबर तो जीरो है फॉर नाउ, राइट? सो दैट्स इट, दैट्स द सोल्यूशन. ऑल्सो गाइस, there is one more thing, and now let's go towards the code. Everyone write understood and CLR in the chat if they understood what is happening. So answer will be what? Answer will be what? Hash map 1. This will tell you that how many times the prefix is having the sum as pref sum by 2 in the range I1 to I minus 1. Plus for the second hash map you will maintain that second hash map smartly. ऐसे ही चोमू जैसे second hash map मत बना लेना. पहले क्या करोगे आप? First you will fill all the suffix values till index 1, okay, like this. Now when you travel this element na, you will remove this suffix sum from the hash map, then your hash map will have only this much value. When you come here ना, तो ये वाले बंदे को hash map से निकाल देना, so your suffix hash map will only have this much value. Clear? This is a very brilliant stuff going on. Now, yeah, Yashasvi Sharma. Okay, anyways, this session is only for the people who really know these things in depth. Hash map of pref sum by 2, then hash map 2 of pref sum by 2. ये क्या बताता है आपको? ये बताता है कि भाई i+1 से लेके n रेंज तक how many prefix sum are having prefix sum by 2, because if in that range in the back sum is pref by 2, तो आगे वाला भी pref by 2 ही होगा. So that's it. Plus special case for 1 to I. Guys, for 1 to I you will have to make the special case, okay? Everyone write understood in the chat if they understand the special case for 1 to I. अरे तुमने सब कंसीडर कर लिया, तुमने 1 से लेके i-1 वाले भी प्रीफिक्सेस निकाल लिए, i+1 से n के वैलिड प्रीफिक्सेस, पर अब ये कौन निकालेगा? सो वॉट एवर वॉज द सम टिल हियर, लेट्स से दिस इज द ओल्ड सम, दिस वैल्यू इज 0, सो ओल्ड सम प्लस 0 क्या हो जाता है? ओल्ड सम. सो if the old sum is equal to new sum by 2, count equal to count plus 1. ये एक केस को अलग से सेपरेटली ले लेना. I hope now it's clear to everyone, guys. I hope it's now clear to everyone. Now let's go towards the code directly. Java Python codes will be uploaded soon, but let's discuss this C++ code, okay? So you can see test cases we are taking. First of all, unordered map ke there are many things going on. You know your array B, okay? Now I am taking the input of the array, okay? Great job. Now then I am calculating the total. Great job. Then guys, उल्टा ट्रैवल कर रहा हूं मैं, ठीक है? उल्टा ट्रैवल कर रहा हूं, सफिक्स सम निकाल रहा हूं पीछे से, और उसको सफिक्स एरे में डाल रहा हूं, सफिक्स वाले हैश मैप में डाल रहा हूं. देयर आर टू हैश मैप. K हैश मैप इज फॉर द प्रीफिक्स and SF hash map is for the suffix, okay? Now guys, this is the main loop. अब मुझे ये नंबर I को 0 बनाना है, okay? Make B of I equal to 0. So guys, first of all I need to remove this value from the suffix, right? Suffix मैंने पूरा end तक I have calculated. You have to do the calculations very smartly, नहीं तो आपसे नहीं होने वाला, ठीक है? Be rest assured that you need to do the calculations very very smartly. पहले आपने ऐसे ऐसे करके पूरा सफिक्स कैलकुलेट कर लिया, ओके? ऑल दीज वैल्यूज आर नाउ स्टोर्ड इन द हैश मैप. अब जब इधर आओगे, इसको 0 करना चाहोगे, तो इसको 0 जब तुम करना चाहोगे तब तुमको इतने ही सफिक्स का डेटा चाहिए ना, तो ये वाले बंदे को तुमको अपने सफिक्स हैश मैप से निकालना पड़ेगा. तो इसको पहले निकाल रहा हूं. फर्स्ट इंडेक्स पर आया, इधर तक जो भी सफिक्स सम था टोटल उसको निकालो और अपने सफिक्स सम को कम करो. तो अगर ये टी था तो डी था, तो डी माइनस बी ऑफ 1 करो, एंड सफिक्स हैश मैप में डी माइनस बी ऑफ 1 की फ्रीक्वेंसी को 1 से घटाओ. वेरी calmly, silently and intelligently you have to do it, okay? Single hash map don't use, you will get confused, Aman, okay? यस कार्तिक है, बट कोई गारंटी नहीं है ना कि pi-1 + 0 का वो हमेशा आंसर सही ही होगा, ठीक है? सो दैट्स व्हाई बी लिटिल केयरफुल. सो गाइज, एवरीवन राइट CLR इन द चैट इफ दे अंडरस्टैंड कि क्यों भैया आई पर आके सफिक्स हैश मैप के अंदर एक नंबर कम कर रहे हैं. क्योंकि सफिक्स हैश मैप ने ये पूरा हैज कैलकुलेटेड एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम n to 1. अब मैं फिर से 1 से n जा रहा हूं, तो जब 1 पर हूं तो मुझे तो सिर्फ 2 से n की वैल्यूज चाहिए, तो 1 वाली चीज को निकालो. जब 2 पर आऊंगा तो मुझे 3 से n को चाहिए, तो 2 वाली चीज को निकालो. क्लियर? ओके, ग्रेट जॉब. नाउ this thing is clear. Now guys, this you also know. What is the change when you remove b of I minus b of I? What will be the new sum, guys? TOT plus change. If this new sum is divisible by 2, if this is divisible by 2, then what do you require? New sum by 2. तो चेक कर लो प्रीफिक्स में कितने आ रहे हैं. K of needs new sum by 2, right? Hash map, first hash map new sum by 2, and the suffix hash map new sum by 2. suffix hash map new sum by 2. And if the current sum is also equal to new sum by 2, then r equal to r plus 1. Special case handling for index I, okay? Special case for index I, okay? And guys, काम खत्म. Guys, this is also not the full perfect code. एक केस हमने मिस कर लिया है, वो हमने मिस किया है और वो तुम लोग पर बताना है मेरे लिए. बताओ गाइस, सब केस डिस्कस कर लिए. Which is the last case which is missing, guys? If the yeah. So the Gaurav Yadav is correct, guys. Give congratulation emojis for Gaurav Yadav. Gaurav Yadav gave the correct answer. Don't apply any operation. उसको तो solve ही नहीं किया ना. And I have not even written the code here that you should implement. Okay. You also have to solve the problem if you don't change anything. If you don't change anything in life, you don't need to always change everything. So guys, अगर कोई कुछ भी चेंज नहीं करना है तो क्या करना पड़ेगा? नथिंग, सिंपल. अरे कुछ भी चेंज नहीं करना, उसका तो सबसे पहले डिस्कस कर लिया था. ये वाला कोड आगे लगा देना, ठीक है? ये वाली वैल्यू भी कैलकुलेट कर लेना एंड मैक्सिमम ऑफ ऑल को प्रिंट कर लेना. ओके, क्लियर? कार्तिक, दैट स्पेशल थिंग यू डोंट नीड टू डिस्कस एट ऑल. जब तुम इंडेक्स आई पर हो, कार्तिक के इंडेक्स आई माइनस वन का सम क्या आया होगा, जरा बताना मुझे चैट में. पी ऑफ आई माइनस वन होगा ना? होगा कि नहीं? यहां पर अब मैं जीरो अज्यूम कर रहा हूं ना, तो इतने वाले का सम क्या आने वाला है कार्तिक के? पी आई माइनस वन ही आएगा ना, चेंज तो नहीं होने वाला, राइट? तो तुम यहां पर जब हो तो तुम क्या चार्ट ट्राई कर रहे हो? तुम लिख रहे हो हैश मैप ऑफ न्यू सम बाय 2. ये हमको 1 से लेके आई माइनस वन का आंसर दे रहा है. अग्री लिखो चैट में अगर तुम अग्री करते हो इस बात से. तो बस मैंने एक एक्स्ट्रा कंडीशन डाल दिया. इफ ये जो भी मेरा न्यू सम बाय 2 है, अगर ये p माइनस वन से इक्वल है, तो भाई काउंट इक्वल टू काउंट प्लस वन कर दो. मतलब 1 से लेके i का जो भी सम है पी आई माइनस वन, अगर ये भी एन डब्ल्यू बाई 2 है तो एक बढ़ा दो. तो वही तो स्पेशल केस लिखा है, देखो यहां पर. इफ p इक्वल टू नीड सम, p यानी p ऑफ i माइनस वन तक का सम, इक्वल टू नीड सम r इक्वल टू r प्लस वन. समझ गए? क्लियर? सो आई होप इट्स क्लियर टू यू ऑल पीपल. ओके, या